Well, today we have a 40-foot Greenline 2018. This is not the hybrid model. This is a diesel engined boat, twin Volvo D3s, 220 horsepower, with about 400 hours on them. She does have the 6 solar panels, and it goes to recharging the house batteries and thruster batteries. Has a bow thruster, stern thruster. He added on this right here in the back to put a dinghy on, although the boat does not come with a dinghy. We have teak aft from the stairs throughout the aft deck. The rear transom flips down to become a swim platform. And I have the salon opened up where a window goes up, the counter comes down, this door slides open, so it's a nice single level entertainment area for inside and out. Let's go down inside. Maybe up here. Just so you know, the paint is chalking. This boat needs some wax. Go on board. Try to make this as graceful as possible. Not bad. So like I was saying, this would flip up and gets locked in place, and it's your splash guard for the galley. I have the pegs out, so it rests on that. The window is locked in place. It would come down once that splash guard's up and it closes, and then the door slides closed. I left one of the engine hatches open to show you the D3s. Engine room looks very clean. Like I said earlier, there's about 400 hours on these. The other one, I'd have to move this table, so give you the best view I can. We upgraded the generator. I think it's a 8 kW in the sound shield. Back here in the galley, we have a convection oven, sink, 2-burner stove, full fridge and freezer. Put some extra stereo system throughout here. Upgraded the air conditioning. Has some cameras, Wi-Fi system. I believe there's a high-low table. Good storage. Drawer space. Like I said, full-size freezer, full-size fridge. You go forward. You have a bow and stern thrusters, your controls. My favorite part of any of these Greenlines is this door. So you can tie the cleat tight with the spring lines. Get everything running, untie, hit your thrusters, and you're good to go. This one has the 12-inch Ray Marine nav center, autopilot, all your controls. I don't know why, but going forward, there's this little cushion here. Going forward, there's no carpeting in here. There was carpeting at one point, and they're looking to see where that is, but this is supposed to be carpeted. So as you go forward on the port side, you have side-by-side twins. This piece of wood goes on the starboard side. It came off. They had to rebuild that. Plenty of storage, nice natural lighting. On the starboard side, you have the head with the Jack and Jill doors and the guests and the owner. Huge shower with a seat. Port and starboard hanging lockers. Nice natural lighting. All the curtains are pulled, but throughout the boat, all the way around. Little flat screen TV. That's one of the cushions that go up forward. Sorry about the unfocus. Opening windows, port and starboard, portholes. Boat's in good overall condition. Just have to find out where this carpeting is. There's little things. It's a 2-year-old boat and nothing major. Just, you know, little dirty stuff. I don't know if you can see right here. Nothing. A little dirty right here. Not a big deal. But she's nice. She's nice. These boats run great. Forward on the bow. Cushions that I showed you in the master up forward were for here. Sunroof is a wonderful feature. That whole thing opens up. Go back down, I'll show you. If we're plugged, well, I think we're plugged in. So let's see. Really nice feature. Alrighty, I'm out. 40-foot Greenline 2018. Located down here in Fort Lauderdale, Florida.